Hello guys. So welcome to our YouTube channel and Hazel Siri are actually resting for today. Yesterday we had a crazy day, so they are resting and today we are actually talking about how I ended up having Hazel at home. How I actually decided to adopt her. So you might have already watched my vlog where actually I have explained how I decided to adopt a dog, why I decided to adopt a dog. So yeah, let's get started with Hazel's story. So Hazel is my first love. Miss, I'm not talking about the human love. Hazel is someone who actually has my heart, has my breath, has my everything, has my brain as well. So she's that important to me. She's my first child, and she plays a very important role in who am I today, uh, why I am happy, and why I am so content. So she is the reason for that, though she actually chooses Akshay over me. But yeah, it is what it is. I love her with my all heart, and she's very important. So how I decided to actually adopt her, how I got to know about her. So if you know, there is a actually Instagram page, Abhi and Neem. They are from Mumbai. They do social work. They actually share so many contents, voicing all the social issues. So I used to follow them. I still follow them. And one day, they had shared two adoption appeals. One was for this male dog. Uh, I still remember it was shared that this particular dog is husky mix and is up for adoption in Goregaon, Mumbai. And there was other female dog who was white in color, and she was also, they had written that it's a lab mix, and she is also up for adoption. So I knew that I want to adopt a dog, and it was, I was just like discussing with my sister that okay, these are the two puppies, they are up for adoption, and I'm thinking that I will adopt a male dog. So she just convinced me that see, we are actually used to of having a female dog home, so why can't you, miss, why don't you actually adopt a female dog? And she only thought that this is just a discussion. No, Didi is not going to actually bring a dog home. We were not actually that serious about it. And not we, miss, she at least thought that yeah, we are not actually serious about it. She was just discussing with me. And the next thing that she knows, that I decided to actually adopt this white dog, this white puppy, who is a female dog. And the next thing that she knew, that we were going to bring her home. So me and my brother, we actually were living in Kamothe, Navi Mumbai, and my sister was living with my mom and dad in Roha, my hometown. So we decided, me and my brother decided that okay, we will bring this puppy home. We actually went to bring her home to Goregaon, Mumbai. I took a half day leave from my office, and I went with my brother in our car, and we actually reached there. And that time we got to know that okay, this particular puppy has been taken to some friend of theirs. So she was actually living in this football playground. There were so many people coming there. There were so many children coming there. So the boys who were playing there had like bond with these particular puppies. So one of that those boys had taken this particular puppy, female dog, to his home to play with his dog. So we actually convinced, we tried to convince that person who is actually was a contact for this particular adoption. We tried to convince that like what happened, and can we wait, should we wait, will she come back or something, but we didn't get any clarity. So at the end we actually left from there, came back home empty handed. And it was like, miss, I was pretty sad about it. I actually argued at some point with this particular person that how you can do that. We actually went there, we wasted our time. So if you want to really give the puppy, just tell us now, else we are not interested. So he convinced us that no, she is back now, and tomorrow I will just keep her ready. Tomorrow you come. So I convinced my brother that okay, please go tomorrow and bring her home. I will not be able to take leave again. So you go and um you take the puppy home. And I'm telling you, that was my biggest mistake that I have done. I will tell you why in later video. But so what happened is that he went with his friend to bring her home, and she was little nervous, like who is this guy, and she licked his face. He also saw her for the first time. Now the video which was shared by this contact person, in that video Hazel was small puppy. I think she was then 2 months old or something. She was small. But when my brother actually went to bring her home, she seemed like a lot bigger. Means she was almost 3 months old at that time. And he actually called me and told me that okay, she is little bit uh, older than what it seems like in the video. And I was like, okay, it doesn't matter, you just bring her home. And he brought her home in the cab. And we actually the first time when I saw her, when she came home, when she entered home, she was so nervous. I was so nervous that I didn't know how to react. Means it was like when you are meeting a new person in your life, you don't know what to say. You can just say hey, how are you. It's just that. And after that, for some time you feel little bit of this silence. That kind of thing I felt with Hazel. And she was trying to figure out like what is this, where am I, and everything. And I was little bit nervous, like what to do, should I touch her or not. And it was little bit like this. Miss, we were at distance only. I saw her from distance. She was actually connected with my brother more than me. And that was the mistake that I was talking about. That since he actually brought her home, she was literally looking for him everywhere. Because after leaving her in the house, he went to bring some things for her, like say uh, like toys or food or anything like that. He just went to bring that. And me and Hazel, we were there in the house alone. And it was like this awkward silence between us. But she literally went, and the bag which actually smelled like him, she went and she sat on that particular bag and she slept. Now after seeing her for the first time, I saw her eyes first. It didn't seem like black eyes, because I know I had saw in the video that this particular dog has black eyes. But when she came home, I realized that it's not black eyes. It's not, they are not black. They are something like hazel color or something like that. Hazel color is there. So I decided that okay, her name should be Hazel because her eyes are of that color. So that is how we came to her name, that okay, we are going to call her Hazel. And then I showed my sister that okay, see, this is the puppy that is we have brought home and everything. And later, what happened is that she was covered with this fleas and ticks on her body. The first the first bath I gave her was on her first day itself. And I think from that only she knew that okay, this particular person is going to like annoy me all the time. And yeah, that was the first bath I had given her. And after that, she just went to sleep near my brother. My brother was sleeping in one bed, on one bed, and what we had done was that other bed also, there were single beds, two single beds, so we had actually joined these two beds. So she went and she actually uh, slept with him by touching her whole backside to his body. And now also she sleeps like that only. She has a habit of sleeping like that. So I just knew that maybe I have messed up our bond, because she bonded well with my brother. And the next day, my sister also came, and it was like this. It was like having a dog home. We actually missed Shadow, and we we thought it's almost going to the same how it was with Shadow. The very next day, we actually took her for the first walk. Also, my brother took her for the first walk, and I still remember that she just went somewhere in the garbage and she ate some fish, the rotten fish or something. And my mother was like, "Oh my god, it's smelling so bad." Because she had put whole face in that particular thing, she was smelling so bad. He just came home and he gave me. I mean, I was there in the bathroom taking a bath, and he came and he said, "Ki, no, Didi, you take her. Like, she is smelling so bad." And I took her inside the bathroom, and oh my god, she was literally smelling so bad. For the first time in my life, I have smelled so bad, and still I was okay with it. Miss, uh, I actually took a responsibility that okay, I know she is smelling bad, but it's my responsibility to clean her up. I'm not going to give that responsibility to someone else, or I'm going to blame her, or I'm going to actually get irritated or something. I took that responsibility, and time only I realized that okay, for her, I'm going to do everything. I'm going to do anything. And yeah, that was the story. How I got Hazel home. I'm definitely going to share like what are the challenges that I faced with her, how her how her personality actually evolved, and how she became so reactive, um, as she is now. And I'm definitely going to share those things. But yeah, this was the story behind Hazel getting home, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'm also going to share like what are the things you have to be ready with when you are getting a puppy home or getting a dog home. Because when I got Hazel, it was pretty sudden, because this particular contact person had told us that no, she's getting, means if you don't adopt her now itself, we will not be able to keep her for long. Means she will be thrown out of the ground or something like that. I don't remember actually, but something like that they had informed us. And without any plan, without any pet bed, without any pet food, anything, I just brought her home so that she will not be taken somewhere out. So I'm going to share that particular video as well, like what are the things you have to be ready with when you are getting a dog home. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Again, dogs are the very very precious things that can happen to you, that can happen to this whole world. And do keep loving them, do keep loving the animals, not only dogs. So yeah, I think that's it. And I hope a dog comes in your life and change your life like Hazel did for me. So yeah, all the best.